Signed spelling words for the story Mole and the Baby Bird. First word, mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Next word, out. O-U-T. Out. Next word, round. Round. R-O-U-N-D. Round. Next word, house. H-O-U-S. House. Next word, R. So you're down at side. The hand starts here, full hand, and it just goes over. O-U-R. Hour. Next word, count. 2 times. C-O-U-N-T. Count. Next word, door. If you don't know what kind of door it is, whether it's a swing or slider, just door is 2 times. Door. D-O-O-R. Door. You will see a lot of people like showing like the opening and closing or the swinging or if it's a slider, but just door 2 times. D-O-O-R. That's it.